Do you know why audio techs dress in black? It's so they can basically remain invisible during the production of a workshop, seminar, live theater event, a live concert. And what else can I say? It's like, it's so these productions can, what do I say? It's so these productions seem like they're magic, but it's magic with no trick. Is that okay? Is that a yes? I can't see you. Yeah, okay. And then, should I snap my fingers here or should I snap my fingers over here? For the audio.
Yeah, not sure.
I don't know if that'll help. Now what am I saying? Magic but no trick. Snap my fingers. When you're putting on your own workshop, having a great production, having everything run seamlessly is all about. When you're putting on your own workshop, having everything run as the way you plan is not a trick. It's about systemizing and planning. Two key people to have involved in your workshop, or creating your production pod as I call it, is your event supervisor and your AV tech. Having a well-trained event supervisor, having a well-trained event supervisor and AV tech, having a well-trained event supervisor and AV tech will allow you from stage to just deliver your information to your audience. This will also allow you to put on a workshop anywhere at any time. So to find out more about how to create your own production pod, head to What to Know Before the Show. And that's What to Know Before the Show. Wait, I want to snap my fingers and disappear again. And then we could go back to, maybe we could take the beginning of that video and put it at the end, or we could do that again, whichever works.
Yeah, either one. Because we can always cut the audio.